We've now concluded this module on defining business rules in BIZUIT. We've learned how to set conditions that guide the behavior of our processes, ensuring that each workflow aligns with the specific needs and policies of our organization. First, we explored the importance of business rules within processes. These rules determine how a process responds to different situations, enabling specific actions to be triggered only when certain conditions are met. This is key to ensuring workflows remain efficient and aligned with business objectives. We explored the BIZUIT condition editor, a key tool for configuring business rules. We learned how to create conditions using parameters, variables, and the results of previous activities, and how to combine them with logical operators to build more complex rules. Through a practical example, we applied these concepts to automate the reimbursement management process, setting specific decisions based on employee eligibility and the reimbursement amount. We also shared some best practices. We highlighted the importance of documenting your business rules, grouping similar activities to simplify the flow, and testing rules in controlled environments before deploying them to production. These tips help reduce errors and ensure that your rules remain clear, understandable, and easy to maintain. In our case study, we saw how to apply business rules to automate decision-making in the reimbursement management process. From verifying employee eligibility to implementing tiered evaluations for high-value claims, each rule was configured to ensure the process runs in alignment with organizational policies. With this knowledge, you now have a solid foundation for defining and applying effective business rules in BIZUIT. By implementing well-defined rules, you can make your processes more robust, adaptable, and fully aligned with your organization's strategic objectives. Thank you for joining us for this unit. See you in the next one, where we'll continue exploring BIZUIT's capabilities and further enhance the operational efficiency of your processes.